if you are wondering whether or not you're going to pass for the semester, all you have to do is plug in your grades here. So if you say you made 65 the first 6 weeks, that's your MP1, your marking period 1. Let's say you made an 85 the second 6 weeks, and then currently you have a 60. You would need to make a 70 on the final in order to pass for the semester, which makes sense because you failed 2 of the marking periods. But if you had like a 75 here, 85 and you're currently at a 65, then you'd only need to make a 42 on the final in order to get a passing grade for the semester. And this will tell you what you need to make for an 80 or a 90. So let's say that you had a 90, an 85, and you currently have a 78, then you can see that you could, if it's a negative grade here, that means that you could make a 0 on the final and still pass the test. If you made a 55, you'd have an 80, but with these grades here, you'd need to make over 122 in order to get a 90. So you'd have to bring this up to like an 85 or maybe even a 95, and then you can see that that makes it a little bit more doable. And so that's how you use this little spreadsheet, and hopefully that helps you. And you can use this method for any of your classes, not just mine.